Oh, so fabulous.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl once again, Dumebi Leah, the oh so fabulous one. If this is your first time stumbling on my channel, you're welcome. I do hope you guys decide to join my happy family. Please join my big happy family by hitting the subscribe button right below this video, and you won't regret it, I promise. And if you're already a subscriber, you're awesome. You know I love you. So today's tutorial is basically on my second out of the 3 Halloween looks that I prepared for you guys. This is the second one. There's still one more after this one. So this look is basically the faceless, burnt face, scar face, injury face girl makeup for Halloween. I don't know whatever I decide to call it. So this is basically me having a burnt face, but there's a twist to it because I get to hold like a glam face in my hand, which is what you guys can see me doing right now is creating the glam makeup look, which is a double cut crease. So I did my brows using the Ovada brow pencil in dark brown. Then all the eyeshadow that I used is from the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm using my Benai Clown White as a base for my blue liner, and the blue is also an eyeshadow from the Morphe 35B palette. So I applied some Miss Metis lashes. I'm really loving Miss Metis lashes these days. I just reach for it. I have other lashes, but I think it's just because this one has like a variety of lashes in different designs. And for my face, I just applied the Fasali Rose Gold Elixir as a moisturizer. I didn't prime my face because the makeup was going to be cleaned off right after this anyway, so I didn't see any point in doing that. So I just went right into my foundation, and for foundation I used the Beyond Beauty foundation. This is their HD foundation in the shade 205. And Beyond Beauty, sincerely, I love this particular foundation. Full coverage, it is matte, it looks like skin. I mean, look at my face. Can you guys tell? Like, it doesn't look caked up. So, and the beauty of this brand is actually that it's a Nigerian brand, but they have like such a wide shade range. I'm really dark, guys. I'm dark. Forget whatever you guys are saying, because this is, you know, the whole lighting setup and everything. But I'm dark, and they have my shade of foundation, and they have like 3 other shades after, like 3 other shades that are darker than this one that I use right now. That's to tell you like how rich their shade range is. So if you're in Africa or in short anywhere, you can get their foundation. So I'm also using their powder, and then using their face definer. I'm taking the contour shade there to contour my face, and that's what I'm doing right now. So now I'm going into my Ezekiel palette. This one has blush, it has highlighter, it has some powders. So I just took the purple shade right there as my blush. I realize a lot of people don't really like blush, but I do blush because it just makes me look very feminine and happy. So now I'm taking the glow also from my Beyond Beauty face definer. I didn't show you guys the glow that I used from that definer because it was broken. So if I tried to hold it up to the camera, it would have just spilled all over my body. So I'm just taking the glow over there to glow my face up. Then I'm using the Polar Beauty pencil to line my eyes. Then over to my lips, I'm taking that's the same pencil that I use for my brows, the one from Ovada Beauty. I'm using that to line my lips. Then I'll be going right into lipstick. This lipstick is also from Beyond Beauty Cosmetics, and this is one of those pink shades that when you see it, you'll be like, ooh, it's gonna be too light for like a dark skin lady, but believe me guys, it is perfect. All you need to do is just to line it with a brown liner and you're good to go. So I'm spraying my face using my Kimani Glow Mist, and this is the finished look that I'm showing you guys. I just popped on my wig. So what I did was I took pictures of this look. Then after this, I'll be going right into the special effects part of the makeup, which is the major Halloween look right now. So I'm going to be taking everything off, wiping off the makeup, but not wiping the entire makeup off. I'm using my micellar water from Miss Metis and a cotton pad to wipe off the makeup just right in the middle of my face, as you guys can see me do it. And you guys, like, I've been sleeping on micellar water. Like, what's up with that? Micellar water makes taking off makeup so easy, and it also serves as like a toner. So it's kind of like a 2-in-1. You're taking off makeup and you're toning your face, so your face is feeling like really fresh and soft and supple, and basically just fabulous when you're done. So I took off the makeup in a circular motion, like I just removed the makeup from the middle part of my face, which is where the special effect burnt look is going to be. So now I'm applying liquid latex in that circular part of my face. I'm putting cotton wool over it. I got all my SFX product, all my special effect products from the SFX store. So if you live in Nigeria and you're looking for where to get any of this stuff, you can try them. They also have a website, so just go to Instagram or go to Google and type the SFX store, and yeah, you're going to find them. So I'm just going to be repeating this process all around to fill up my face with the latex and cotton wool, as you guys can see. And I also put this on my lips too, to create like a burnt melted lip effect. I also put it around my eyes. Be careful when doing this, because so that the latex doesn't enter your eyes, because it will sting you. I'm not even joking. It was stinging as I was getting closer to my eyes, but it didn't get into my eyes, so I was fine. And another thing is that the latex actually stings. It smells like ammonia. If you don't know what ammonia smells like, it smells like urine, but at some point you get used to it. So I put some latex over the cotton wool just to dampen it a bit and make it look soggy and like soaked into my skin. Then I dried it up with my hand dryer, and now I'm going into the fake blood that I have. This is the Graftobian fake blood, which is more liquidy, and there's also the Graftobian blood paste, which is darker in color and thicker. So I applied it all over. Then I made an opening in the lips to create that like melted look in the lips, like as if my lips got burnt and are stuck together. So now to create some darkened parts and make the burnt face look more real, I'm going into my Smithy's body paint to apply some black and just scatter it around. So that is me taking the blood paste right now to place just the same way I scattered around the black body paint to make the burn or the peel face look more realistic. So I'm just going to be scattering it around, and you guys can see it's starting to look more real now. You guys, sorry, my lights kept going on and off, so at this point it's completely off, and I think this even looks better. So I'm just patting in using my sponge. I'm patting in everything to make it look like really soaked up and soggy and more realistic. I'm taking some red from that blood paint to apply all over my eyes to make it look like really like like a real burnt or pink face, like as if the skin was pulled out and you can now see like the red part. So this is the finished look, and I hope you guys like it. Please drop me a comment. This is actually how I took the picture. You guys, look at the transformation. So I just cut out the face from my glam look and I put it in my hands, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.